2 weekends in Miami, 4 trains. I'm Tom Kovichek, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. In the past month, we went to Miami a couple of times on the weekend. Once we went to Deerfield Beach and then to Miami to go to the Harvest Festival, which I'm going to show you here, the Harvest Festival. We went to see East Coast HO Exhibitors Society. They had their modular railroad set up there. We went to see that, and Tolga Ibora was there, Tolga East Coast YouTube channel, and there was a couple other guys there that had YouTube channels. I can't remember their names, but they're on Tolga's comments all the time on his videos. And this past weekend, we went down to Miami again to Gold Coast Railroad Museum, which was at the Naval Air Station. So here we go.
Okay, here we are, Harvest Festival in Miami Fairgrounds. I guess this is the fairgrounds here. Walking down there now. Get there in a few minutes.
There's always a sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, and all your worries go away. Go across the river and you'll be fine. Go counting winners, it's right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side. So when you feel lost in the city lights, ain't got nowhere to turn your winding wheels, there's always the sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, my friend, and paddle your guitar. Across the river, you'll be fine. Go counting winners, right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side.
guitar in the back. I was gonna make it big, make money by the sack. Coming out of Tulsa, a waitress in a bank, a record label man came knocking one day with a paper in his hand, and he said, "Get while the getting is good. There's no reason not to. I really think you should just get while the getting is good. This is now or never. I hope it's understood. So get while the getting is good." When we were done cutting the record, the first single was a go. And before I knew what was going on, it was on the radio. And I said, "Get while the getting is good. There's no reason not to. I really think I should just get while the getting is good. This is now or never. It is understood. Let's get while the getting is good. Just get while the getting is good. Get while the getting is good."
Here's what we saw at the Gold Coast Railroad Museum when we went. Since it was the first Saturday of the month, it was Free Saturday. So there was a lot of people there, a lot of kids there. So take a look. All right. Don't forget to ding that bell.
I got it.
Okay, good.
Anytime we go to the East Coast of Florida, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, we always have to stop at one of the recreation areas to see if we could find any alligators. Well, while we were there, we thought we didn't see anything, but Debbie's camera caught it while it was zoomed in, but we didn't see it while we were there. I didn't see it until I was editing the video, and then I said, oh, there's an alligator right there. And it was right in front of us, right across from where we were standing, but we missed it. So here's what we saw in Alligator Alley when we stopped at one of the recreation areas.
Hey, baby.
Hey, no alligators today. Oh, my goodness. Disappointing. Last time there was about 4 or 5 of them down here.
Oh, he disappeared.
Yeah. Okay. Is that enough, baby? There you go. Okay. Ooh, here he goes. Got him. Flying by. Get a picture of him as we're going down there and see what he does. Yeah, he's gonna keep on going. See, I'm getting away from you people. Oop, he just pooped. X-rated. Just took a dump. There he goes. Alright. Here comes another one across. Oh, he's gonna keep going. There, that bird's right there. We got a little moon over there.